Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve deep into the world of ChatGPT and uncover the secrets to crafting the perfect prompt that will supercharge your AI interactions. If you have ever felt frustrated with vague or irrelevant responses, you are in the right place. I am here to provide you with detailed insights and pro tips on how to master ChatGPT prompts. So, let's dive right into it. The first tip is all about custom instructions. ChatGPT can be your best friend, but it needs to know you better. Head over to your profile icon and click on Custom Instructions. This is where you can give ChatGPT a little note about yourself and how you want it to respond. So, what should you include in these custom instructions? Well, start with who you are and what you do. If you are a teacher, a student, a lawyer, or anything else, let ChatGPT know. Also, if you want region-specific answers, share your location, not your address, just the area. For example, I am a software developer based in New York working with Apple. Or, I am a marketing professional in Chicago writing advertising copy. Context is key. Moving on, you can control the tone and style of ChatGPT responses. Want it to be friendly and casual? Specify that. You can decide if ChatGPT can have opinions or remain neutral. And don't forget about the length of responses. Make them short and sweet or long and detailed. This can save you from frustrating back and forths. Let us say you are a pro in coding, but you don't want lengthy explanations every time you ask for a formula. You can tell ChatGPT, just give me the most efficient formula without any explanation. It is like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you need. Want to be sure of the information you are getting? Ask ChatGPT to provide a confidence level for factual topics. And for facts, request a valid URL source. If it is speculation or predictions, ask it to inform you. This ensures you are getting trustworthy answers. Now, let us talk about prompts. When you ask ChatGPT to compose text, it might not immediately capture your style perfectly. However, you can teach it to understand your writing style based on examples, enabling it to produce responses that align seamlessly with your preferences. By presenting ChatGPT with examples that reflect your unique style, you enhance its ability to create responses that resonate with your preferred linguistic expressions, tone, and phrasing. This collaborative and intuitive process not only teaches ChatGPT but also stores this valuable information for future interactions, making your AI conversations more finely tuned and personalized over time. In essence, ChatGPT is a dynamic learning partner, ready to adapt and evolve alongside your preferences. Through the magic of prompts and your thoughtful guidance, you can transform it into a tool that genuinely understands and mirrors your writing style, making your interactions with AI more seamless, engaging, and tailored to your unique creative expression. ChatGPT can even review its own text and provide feedback. If you are not happy with the response, ask it to be a critic. It will suggest improvements, and you can end up with a much better result. Here is a fun one: self-prompting. Use ChatGPT to optimize its own prompt. Tell it what you want and ask questions until you are sure you have got the perfect prompt. It is like collaborating with an AI assistant to get the best possible output. Ever get lengthy responses when you just need something concise? Specify the word count you want in your prompt, or ask ChatGPT to make it more concise by a certain percentage. Your audience will thank you for the brevity. Finally, ChatGPT isn't limited to plain text. You can specify the output format you want. Need a table, CSV, HTML, JSON, or even a pandas data frame? Just ask, and ChatGPT will deliver. And there you have it. These tips will help you make the most out of ChatGPT. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. Craft the perfect prompts and you will get the answers you need. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI insights, and see you in our next video.